Can you talk about Asa first and foremost? It seems like him and Jeff just trade that school record back and forth this season so far.
Well, you know, they've gone back and forth and with it, and Asa just had a little better 2 days down at Idaho State than Jeff did, but certainly Jeff was as capable of scoring what Asa did. It just happened to be Asa's weekend, and even having said that, honestly, I really thought he could auto-qualify, but day 2 didn't quite go like it normally would. I mean, he usually runs a half a second faster in the 55 hurdles than he did, and he vaults a foot, almost a half a foot higher. And that really took him away from the automatic. I really thought it was going to happen. He came back, bounced back, and ran a great 1,000 down there and got what he needed to get done there, but we just had 2 events on Saturday that just got away from him, that kept him from an auto. He's sitting 11th in the nation right now, and 14 is kind of the magic number. They're going to take 14, and they'll either be 14 auto qualifiers or somebody's going to get in there that doesn't have an auto inside the 14. And now we're far enough into the season with the multi-event, there's only really going to be one more opportunity for everybody in the country, and that's going to be at the conference championships 2 weeks from now. That's conference championships weekend across the nation. So